Just showed up to Daikoku and they got a few cars here already. Some more are going to be coming. These wonderful ladies here have these awesome cars. You got a GR86, a Miata, you have the Silvia S14, R34 GT-R, and then the Barth. So these cars look absolutely great. Super cool to see women who are into cars, bringing their cars out here, having fun with it. It's awesome. Definitely something you see a lot more of here in Japan, which is super cool. So really cool meeting them. So she's about to pop the hood so we can check out the motor in this Silvia right here, S14. I see the big intercooler, so I know something's going on here. Oh, got super nice wheels. Oh. So it has the, I forget what motor, the SR or something like that, can't remember, but cool, nice. The thing is, looks beautiful on the outside. Very nice. Now she's popping the hood for the 33 GT-R here. RB26, ooh, with the blue color. I haven't seen blue color actually on any of these. I don't know if that's a stock look or aftermarket thing someone did, but that's super cool. 33 GT-R. Not sure if they came white inside like this. I'm not sure if this was repainted to this color or what, but anyways, it's cool. 33 GT-R. Awesome, awesome, awesome. RB26. I think these are aftermarket right there, because I haven't seen those before like that, unless that's something that's come stock with the 33, but I don't think so. It's cool. Very nice, very nice. Definitely driven car. So she's saying that she runs her car at Scuba. She has this MR2. This is so cool. This is awesome. Time attack. That is very cool. Oh, 1 minute 4 seconds at Scuba. That's fast. That's fast. That's good. That's very good. It was very nice meeting those nice people. Really cool to see, you know, women that are into cars like that, and they're not, you know, all younger girls. I mean, I don't know, look like the ages are probably anywhere between 30 something all the way up to probably 50 something. But very nice people, and it's cool to kind of see that car culture, that different side here in Japan. All different walks of life, right? It's not just a guy thing; it's a girl thing too as well. So it's cool. It's really, really cool just to kind of see that. It's raining here. I'm just walking around trying to check out some cars. Really not that many here because of the rain, but it's all good. Is SR. Yeah, SR. Nice. This is cool. Look at this beautiful thing. S15. Huh? Yeah. We could do that. And then the wheels. So this is a LMGT4 wheels. Yeah. So I have LMGT4 as well. Yeah, that's cool. This is a beautiful car. Beautiful. Wow, look at these 255s up front, 18s, super nice. LMGT4s look good on this thing. I didn't really realize it when I was driving in, but yeah, this is on some LMs. I think it's sick. I love S15s, absolutely love them. Definitely want one. Turn it into my drift car. This would be like a street build drift car, not like a full-on, like, you know, competition car, but like just a street drift car. I think it would be cool. Not to drift on the street, but drift on the track, but still drive on the street. This thing is sick. I love it.